Dropshipping with AliExpress? Done right, it can help you build a successful 7-figure business. But the wrong suppliers, products, or technology can lead to overwhelming admin and complaints from frustrated customers, with low profit margins making it difficult to get your business off the ground. Fortunately, Deezers can help. Deezers automates your processes, simplifying repetitive tasks and allowing ordering of hundreds of products in one click. Through Deezers, you can find and import new products. You can also search for better or cheaper suppliers to replace the old ones at will. Plus, Deezers is an AliExpress partner, meaning no limit on the number of orders and access to the best suppliers. Save time, save money, and gain access to the best suppliers on AliExpress. Discover Deezers. Available on your Shopify, WooCommerce, and more.
Founded in 2020, relying on the luxuriant and powerful supply chain in Asia, as well as professional software technology, put themselves in customers' shoes. Dropshipman has grown to be a leading dropship solutions provider. With 107 software engineers, 35 sales reps, 58 customer services, 22 IQC, 15 packing and delivery staffs. Trusted by 900,000 plus Shopify stores. Over 10,000 orders fulfilled a day and 900,000 products for each commodity category. We always believe that the maximization of dropship business comes from the power of gathering all people on the earth, and attach great importance to cultivation and development of talents. Furthermore, provide the employment opportunities for disabled persons. Because each one of us has our chance to contribute responsibly for a better world. We hope to call on more people to join our philosophy and provide more employment opportunities for people with disabilities from all over the world, so that they can feel that they are important and needed by society.
Greetings from Singapore. My name is Mark and I choose Dropshipman.
Hello, my name is Pavel. I'm from Poland and I choose Dropshipman.
Hello, it's Johan from Belgium and I use Dropshipman.
Hello, and mabuhay. This is Lendl from the Philippines and I choose Dropshipman.
Hello, I'm Kanpai. I'm from Thailand. I should Dropshipment. Thanks. Bye.
I'm Vincent from Japan. I choose Dropshipment.
Hi, I'm David from the United States, and I use Dropshipment.
Tanya here from Germany. I choose Dropshipment.
Hey, I'm Teji from France, and I choose Dropshipment.
Hi there, everyone. I'm Edward from the United States, and I choose Dropshipment. Thank you very much.
I'm Kiefer. I use Dropshipman.
I'm from the USA and I use Dropshipman.
Together with us, achieve the great value for ordinary little things.
Welcome to ZenDrop, your top-tier fulfillment and dropshipping service built for scale so that you can take your e-commerce business to the next level. With expedited shipping, automated fulfillment, private labeling, US fulfillment options, no minimum order requirements, and world-class support, we know you made the right choice in choosing ZenDrop. To get you started, let me show you around your ZenDrop account. We've constructed ZenDrop to be as user-friendly as possible, so you will find it is quite easy to use. When you log into the platform, you will be first taken to your ZenDrop dashboard. This showcases your revenue from all of your sales from products connected to ZenDrop. If you log in and there is no information on your dashboard, don't fret. All you need to do is import products and start selling. If you are a ZenDrop Pro member, you have the ability to create custom thank you cards for your customers' orders. You can add your own brand's logo, contact information, and a thank you message inside of all of your packaging. No more generic invoices and packaging sent from Chinese warehouses. Your customers will receive their products in packaging branded for your store. This is a great way to build trust and create returning customers. Also included in the ZenDrop Pro membership is auto-fulfillment. Auto-fulfillment is an extremely convenient feature. No more manually entering in information into AliExpress or Oberlo, or sending tons of money to an order fulfillment virtual assistant. Simply toggle the auto-fulfill switch to on, and all of your orders will be sent to our suppliers automatically and will be fulfilled for you, without you having to do any additional work. That way, you can focus on marketing your business instead of dealing with individual orders on a daily basis, or paying someone else to do it. If you do choose to be more hands-on with your fulfillment process, simply click Fulfill Order on each placed order to fulfill manually. ZenDrop has made tracking your shipment as streamlined and organized as possible. You can easily click to expand on any fulfilled order to view the tracking number for that package. By clicking on an individual tracking number, all shipment information will appear in 17track.net and show you exactly where your customer's package is. Our newest and very exciting feature for ZenDrop Pro members is ZenDrop Academy. We have compiled all of our best tips, tricks, and secrets about running successful marketing campaigns on your dropshipping store into one resource at no additional cost. At ZenDrop, we not only want to provide you with the best fulfillment service on the market, but we want to help you succeed too. So, welcome to the ZenDrop family. We can't wait to watch you and your business thrive.
Hey there, welcome to Spocket. Discover and dropship thousands of unique products risk-free. Our mission is to help you build your dropshipping empire, which starts with finding high-quality products to sell. If you're not familiar with dropshipping yet, let's go over the basics of this unique business model, shall we? Take a look at this diagram. If you are the dropshipper, you are basically this party right in the middle here. When your customer buys a product, an order is created on your e-commerce store, and that order automatically syncs over to Spocket. You, the dropshipper, will then place this order with your Spocket supplier, who ships it directly to your customer. With the dropship model, you never have to purchase any inventory. This means you have more time to focus on marketing and sales while we take care of the rest. Suppliers on Spocket are thoroughly vetted and offer a margin of at least 25%, along with fast US shipping. While Spocket has a wide range of US and EU-based suppliers, we also offer a strong selection of suppliers from around the world. Before we discuss selling products, let's take a quick tour of the Spocket dashboard. Discover new products on the search page by clicking on Find Products. Click on AliExpress to install our Ali Scraper tool, which helps you easily find and sell AliExpress products using Spocket. Use our image search technology to find products that are similar to an existing product or any image. This is a great way to find replacements or complementary products. Check out the Winning Products section to find best-selling products with high margins. Skip the research and get easy access to the best of the best. In the next section, you can find your import list. This is where you can shortlist and edit products before pushing them to your store. In the Products page, you can view all the products that have been pushed to your store. The Orders page is where you can find and manage all your orders. The next section has the Notifications page, where you can find all important notifications such as supplier updates, price changes, account activity, etc. You can use the Messages tab to communicate with your Spocket supplier for order inquiries and so on. Finally, the Settings page is your one-stop shop for everything related to your Spocket account. Selling through Spocket is simple. First, set up your Spocket account by selecting a plan and setting up your branded invoicing. Then, find the perfect product from our vast catalog. Next, add it to your import list and make changes as you see fit. Lastly, push it to your store. To help you get started, we've put together some resources such as our video tutorials where we walk you through every step of the process so you can make the most out of your time on Spocket. Check out our Help Center where you can find answers to over 100 frequently asked questions. Our support team is available 24/7 via the live chat button. Reach out if you need any assistance or just want to say hello. In our next video, we will go through the process of discovering the perfect items for you to sell in your shop. Happy spocketing!
Running an e-commerce business can be a lot of work, from finding the right products to sell, to importing products, monitoring prices in stock, fulfilling orders, managing your product pages and inventory can take up a lot of your time. But what if you could automate all of these tasks with just one tool? Introducing AutoDS. With AutoDS, it's easy to find products from over 25 dropshipping suppliers from around the world. This gives you access to millions of products that you can sell. You could import hundreds of products with just one click, saving you hours of time. And no need to worry about manually updating prices in stock. AutoDS keeps an eye on both prices in stock 24/7 so you can focus on growing your business. And when you're on the go, AutoDS has you covered. The system can automatically fulfill your customers' orders as well as update tracking information even while you're away from your computer. Plus, AutoDS has a powerful product optimization tool, which includes image editing, pricing, titles, descriptions, item specifications, and more. With just a few clicks, you can make sure your products look and perform their best. And if that's not enough, we also have a winning products hub with proven bestsellers and full product analysis, including sellers, suppliers, winning ad campaigns, and more. And you can easily import these winning products to your store within the click of a button. And with AutoDS, you can see a full overview of your business, including sales, revenue, profits, bestsellers, a smart filter system to analyze your products and make bulk changes, and more. It's all in one place, so you can easily make informed decisions and grow your online business, whether from one or multiple stores. So why let the day-to-day tasks of running your e-commerce business overwhelm you? AutoDS saves you the time and hassle. Join over 25,000 dropshippers who trust AutoDS for their automation needs. Good luck growing your online business, and I can't wait to see you inside.